Hey everyone, Yes You Warrior Model Shop coming to you semi-live, recorded, live, whatever, uh, on this miserable Friday day. Yeah, we're getting bits and pieces of the hurricane, just the wind and a little bit of rain, but nothing bad. Nothing like what the Carolinas and the Bahamas got. So, um, it's been interesting. Earlier in the week, I was hospitalized again. A lot of inflammation in my chest, put a lot of pressure on my heart. So, you know, I'm back, alive, healing. So, this is everything that I've done prior to that. Um, uh, first fighting top is done. Had to look over, see what I was talking about. Also, I've gotten some of the other fighting top done. I've learned from my mistakes. So this one's a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. It's not a museum piece. As you can see, I'm keep looking over at my model. um, the other superstructure, I keep saying that. The lots on my mind. But the other fighting top, some of it's already painted, uh, some put together. Some of the photo etch actually like broke in half, so I'm gonna see what I can do to fix what I did. That won't be on this video. That's probably be on next video. Yeah, as you can see, I'm like scatterbrained today. Also, my father was rushed to the hospital last night. He was diagnosed with congenital heart failure. So we're just waiting on results and everything. Just got back from the hospital. He's in good spirits. Um, you know, they should just give us a room rate for him and me. Yeah, I should have my own suite, and he should be my guest. But other than that, got more paint uh, of the dark blue gray from Vallejo. Ran out. Um, so, and of course, it's all like the little pieces that I need to paint now. Nothing major like the hall or, anything. So, all right, so I'll show you what I got done. Here you go. Barrel tubs and the guns are in on the main structure. A little gun goes there. But yeah, it's on both sides, right up there. I mean, as you could tell, the more I do close-ups and stuff, how offset the back is. But other than that, it's looking good. Putting little guns on is so much fun. There's 4 parts to it. I've only done a couple of it. This itty bitty thing looks like the scope, the magazine holders, and what I'm going, and that little like horseshoe thing. These pieces are so small, they give you so many extras because I swear they know you're going to lose them. And then still haven't heard from Edward. It's been almost 2 weeks now. So I'm just going to say the hell with it and continue on. As you can see, both platforms are done for the one fighting top. I have a set of stairs just sitting there. I have to put them on still, but I'm going to get these little guns done first, then start working on the fighting top. I sneezed and all the little pieces went flying. I can't find them. So whatever is on them now, that's how they're staying. Fighting top is upside down. I'm just putting putty on it, letting it dry, and then I'm going to sand it nice and flat. Like I said, that is done. That will go on top of that, or technically that's the bottom. So then I did these beauties. Those are the next decks for the fighting top. And then what else? I also am doing I don't know how well you can see. Come on, focus. There's little purple lines. Those are for where each level goes. The bottom line will go to the superstructure, and then the other two will go on to the next couple levels. There's a couple of different there's some ladders that I got to do, and then some railing and a couple other things. I believe this gets white, and then the towers will be gray, the dark blue gray, and then go back to the white with the grayish tint. It is that time. I am just preparing. I have everything on the one fighting tower. I'm only doing the one right now. Just have to paint a little bit. That'll go on there. And I'm starting to paint the fighting top. The bottom of the fighting top. I put the things on backwards. They're staying. I messed up, like usual. Oh well. And I got to, it says it has to be 25.5 millimeters. I actually just put it on and I glued it, and it was exactly 25.5 millimeters. How the hell did I get so lucky? So I have a couple more pieces that I got to do. Paint it up. Dry overnight. Hopefully, if I can sleep, and then it'll go there. Right in front of that. The steam tower. I'll show you. So this will go like that. Oh, I had to break that off to move down, because on the directions it actually is saying to go more forward, but it's actually a little further back. So once everything is in place, like I'm going to show you, aha, and then this piece There. And that pace, if I can get it right, like that. It's a little cocked right now, but nothing's glued. Once everything is set into where it needs to be, it will be nice and straight. First superstructure is done. Windows, I mean, I gotta clean that up a little. I mean, it's not going to be a museum piece, but that's not bad. Ooh, didn't notice that shifted. Gonna have to readjust a little. Or is that the way I'm holding it? I don't know. So, that's all done. The gray, as you can see, I just have to touch that gray up with the white a little. So I'll just throw down some masking tape, and it will look like this. If I can get it in.
By Google Nest. Hi, my name's Robert. Oh, this is my house. I live here. I'm here to talk to you about home security. Simply Safe Home Security. As a full-time burglar and part-time,
There you go.
I know home security better than most, and as one of the people responsible for protecting my home.
And then, with the mistakes that I've made on that fighting top, I am not making with this one. As you can see, it's the main pieces are primed, and these little dippers. With this, what I'm going to do is actually break this piece and this piece off on purpose, glue the two sides together, paint everything, then put the glass on, and then glue the bottom. Unlike last time, how you could tell where it's all funky, I kind of put the glass on first, and then I glued everything up. So I'm going to glue everything up first, paint it, glue it. Wait, no, I said that backwards. I'm going to glue it, paint it, glass it, put the bottom on. First coat is done on the guns, the fighting top, the thing that goes, the crow's nest, I guess that's what it's called, and then like the little lookout that goes on before the lookout. So it would basically be the lookout, or I'm sorry, the fighting top, then that, then that. I only did the off-white with a hint of gray, plus the primer's gray, so it is going to stick through a little. And then the guns and the tubs are painted white as well. And then inside, it actually gets the dark blue-gray. So inside's dark blue-gray, everything else is white. So you can definitely see a different contrast. Running low on that, so hopefully I'll get that soon. But looking good. Moving on.